most of the time when me and my brother are on our podcast and we're talking about the future, we're really just predicting. We're really just speculating based on the content that we're reading and the things that we're seeing, the patterns and stuff. We're speculating what the future could look like. It doesn't mean that that's what it's going to turn out to be. We're just speculating, right? But one thing is for sure, AI may not be the big thing right now in terms of solving all of our problems, but it will grow. And one thing that I'm pretty certain about is that you won't be replaced from your job in the near future by AI, but you will or could be replaced by those that have taken advantage of using AI tools to increase their productivity in the workplace. Those are the people that you're at risk of losing your job to if you do not take the time now to just dabble with Chat GPT, to just dabble with Google's Bard, to just dabble with Midjourney. This is something that is like when the internet first came out. You know, there were those that could take advantage of a new internet, which was called a fad, which was called a bubble, which was something that people didn't understand how you were going to sell things online. Those that took advantage of just dabbling on the internet, you don't have to know how to program, but they were just on there. They became practitioners of this new technology. They had the upper hand in the coming future. And I believe that same thing is going to repeat itself with AI. Those of us that know how to go on there and just write prompts and find ways to just become more efficient and become more productive in whatever our profession is are going to be the winners in the near future.